Former presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. criticized what he characterized as, quote, cheerleading for Ozempic, end quote, and other breakthrough weight loss and diabetes medication. He argues the buzz around the drug masks the root causes of the obesity epidemic. Kennedy argued that Novo Nordisk, the Danish maker of Ozempic for type 2 diabetes and Wegovy for weight loss, is taking advantage of the public health crisis in the United States to churn record-breaking profits. Novo Nordisk's current net worth of $570 billion is more than Denmark's GDP by over $100 billion, and analysts predict that the company will make $1 trillion by 2030.
Importantly, for members of this committee, 72% of that revenue comes from sales in the United States of America. In other words, the United States is Novo Nordisk's cash cow for Ozempic and Wegovy.
Kennedy has long been an outspoken critic of the pharmaceutical industry. His most prominent health crusade has been supporting the baseless theory that the increasing rate of childhood vaccines may contribute to autism spectrum disorders. Since suspending his presidential campaign, Kennedy has been a key supporter of former President Donald Trump.
I think there's a lot of basic health questions that Robert F. Kennedy is going to have an interesting perspective on. And of course, he's got interesting perspectives on a lot of things, but that's sort of, when I think about Robert F. Kennedy, I think, he's asking important questions about why Americans seem in such poor health, especially poor mental health, and especially our young girls.
He has taken a leading role in shaping the health policy of the Republican hopeful's next administration. Recent reports indicate Kennedy has been advising the former president on who should head the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the National Institutes of Health, and the Food and Drug Administration, agencies that RFK Jr. has criticized for decades.